Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. Have you ever noticed that when you have you have a piece of paper crumpled up and you have a trash can across the office and you're trying to aim it real carefully to get it in there, and a lot of times you kind of miss and come up short. Or you have a towel and you go into the laundry room and the laundry basket's way on the other side and you try to get it into that laundry basket across the room and you carefully aim it and you go off to the left or right or often come up short. Why is that? It's something about when we're being overly careful that it doesn't have the effect we'd really like to have. I guess, maybe sports players would say that too, right? If you're trying to be too tight on it and try to be really careful, you're not going to do as well because you're not letting it happen naturally. It's a big thing and it's hard to do. Why is that hard? Because it's so stressful. You really like to get this new job. You're talking to a customer and you don't want to say the wrong thing. So there's a lot of pressure that can go with these things. It's understandable. But if we try to talk to ourselves a little bit and say, listen, we're a good cleaning business. We deserve to be here. They've asked us to bid on this job. I'm just going to walk up to them, be myself, be friendly, go through here professionally and do this. Talking to a customer, have a situation. Well, we've been through problems before. I'm just going to be myself, be authentic, try to do the right thing to help them. There's something about not being overly careful, but instead more natural and authentic that can help us talking to customers, talking to prospects. Not easy, but it can help. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.